Hello and welcome. Today we will learn about a special word. The word is anniversary. Let's discover what it means and how we use it. An anniversary is a special day. It is a day that comes every year. We remember something important on this day. It is a happy day for many people. When do we celebrate anniversaries? We celebrate them on many different occasions. People celebrate their wedding day every year. We also celebrate birthdays as anniversaries. Some people celebrate the day they started their job. Countries celebrate their founding day too. All of these are anniversaries. There are different types of anniversaries. The most common type is a wedding anniversary. This is when married people celebrate their wedding day. Another type is a birthday anniversary. We celebrate the day we were born. A work anniversary happens when you remember the day you started your job. There are many other special days people celebrate as anniversaries too. Why do people celebrate anniversaries? People celebrate to remember happy moments. It makes them feel good. They want to remember important events in their lives. Celebrating brings joy and happiness. It is a time to be with family and friends. Let's look at a wedding anniversary. When two people get married, they remember that special day every year. They might have a party or a special dinner. They give each other gifts. They feel happy remembering their wedding day. This is a wedding anniversary. Now let's think about a birthday anniversary. Your birthday is the day you were born. Every year on that same day, you celebrate. You might have a cake with candles. Friends and family come to celebrate with you. You receive gifts and good wishes. This is your birthday anniversary. How can we say anniversary in simple words? We can say it is a special day every year. We can also say it is a day to remember something important. When you hear the word anniversary, think of a happy day that comes back every year. It is easy to understand when you think of it this way. Let's remember the key points about anniversary. First, an anniversary is a special day that happens every year. Second, people celebrate important events on anniversaries. Third, weddings and birthdays are the most common types of anniversaries. Now you understand what anniversary means. If you want to learn more easy English words, visit the Wordscience channel. We make learning English simple and fun. Subscribe to our channel for more lessons like this one. We help you learn new words every day. Join the Wordscience family today. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the word anniversary. Keep practicing your English. Keep learning new words. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.